Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Cayce here on Hey Bale and Friends. So, y'all, I've been doing Cooking with Cayce now for about 5-6 weeks. And I've taught a lot of different things that I really enjoy from making that $1 to $2 meal. But because I'm in the chaos of moving, I'm not even going to show you all the chaos. I wanted to give y'all a challenge. The viewers, our friends, I want a challenge of what dinner would you like to see me cook that I can make it for $2 for one person. Because there's so much chaos, I want to see if I can do it. Now, I want you to give me your best shot in the comment section below, whether it's on the full live or my single video. Go ahead and give me your best shot on what meal would you like to see me do for our $2 meal. I will go ahead and I will leave recipe and everything once I get the voting. I will take the most voted on answer on Monday, next Monday. And then I will put everything out on our Hey Bale and Friends social media of what I'm going to do so you can do it as well. So that is my challenge. It's a little different of cooking with Cayce than I'm normally doing, but I'm challenging y'all. Give me, it could be your favorite meal. Give me a meal to do for $2. I have to only spend $2. Alrighty, y'all. I will see y'all on the next Cooking with Cayce. Go ahead, start voting. Now let's get back to Hey Bale and Friends.